What's the parrot?
What?
What color? We're doing colors now.
Red.
And the butterfly?
Blue.
And the orangutan?
Woohoo.
No, what color?
Brown.
And the panther?
Black.
And the bear?
Black.
Not black. What color is the bear?
I know.
Brown.
Brown.
What about the rabbit?
White.
The lizard?
Green.
And the duckies?
Yellow.
Right.
Go back to the animal sounds.
Okay.
Can you do this page?
What does the doggy say?
The first.
The sheep?
Baba.
The polar bear?
Wara.
The mouse?
Baby.
The duck? No. The horse? That's what the horse says. What does the owl say? No, it doesn't. And the lion, what's the lion say? Oh, no. No. You can beep yourself. Okay. Let's see. Stop. Okay. Oh, these animals have spots. What color spots does the ladybug have?
Purple.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
Let's get me the squeegee. Let's get some of this stuff out.
Okay.